Here's how we can find out the inventory status of the products in under 60 seconds. First, I have listed down all my items, then how many quantities I have in stock, then what is going to be the minimum stock quantity, and here I have the status. So now let's try to find out the status. Let's try to have three different status. So one is going to be out of stock, then low stock, and then in stock. So here, first I'll try to have the if condition. So I'll say is equal to if. I'll open the brackets. So if my in hand stock is going to be equal to 0, then if this condition is going to be true, I'll say it as out of stock. So since we don't have any stock in hand, right? So that's why I'm just going to say out of stock. Then if this condition is going to be false, I'll have another if condition. That is nothing but if my in hand stock is going to be less than my minimum stock. So if it is going to be less than that, then we can have this as my low stock. So here I'll say if this is going to be true, I'll say it as low stock, or else if this condition is going to be false, I'll say it is going to be in stock. So that's going to be our complete condition. So I'll close the brackets. So now when I press enter, you can see that I'm getting this as in stock. So since the stock whatever we have is like 500 and the minimum stock is 100. So now I'll just try to completely flash fill this formula. So here you can see I'm getting this as low stock because like the minimum quantity is 80, but we are having only 50. So that's why dried berries I'm getting in a low stock. Next we have the other things in stock. So if I try to go and change the cashew to 0, then automatically it will change to out of stock. This is how you can actually track the status of each and every product in your inventory. So if you wish to use this inventory tracker, I have given the link in the first comment. Please do check it out and also subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.